What is going up, everybody? All right, we are day trading live today. We might hop in this pre-market here because it looks like it's breaking over this resistance here. All right, let's see if we can get order filled right out of the market. Nothing. Come on. We are not getting filled so far. This is a beautiful gap and go setup. All right, let's see if we can get it at $5. $5 seems to be holding the support. All right, now it's going up. This stock was up $55 or 55% pre-market here. It's the leading gapper today, ABIL. We're just not getting filled here. All right, let's hop out. Let's wait a minute. It's very crowded right now in the market. Let's wait a candle and see if we can buy in at a lower price here. Let's kind of do a little dip buy if we can. Not chasing the stock now. All right, let's see if we can get in here. All right, we got in at 520. All right, we have 800 shares. We are down, setting stop at 490. This is going to be a riskier play. Man, it popped up. Now it's going to crash back down. Buyers are still fighting it, so that's why we are holding it. And the volume is pretty low right now, so if you guys can see compared to the buyers. So we just got to get these sellers out of the market, or these short sellers, and then we should be fine. There we go. There we go. Let's take 400 there. Or 500. So we still got 300 shares out. Now let's hold this. Setting stop rate below this candle at about $5. Always mental stops right now because we're up. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see if we can get filled at the $0.50. Beautiful. Let's go, baby. $168 just like that within the first 3 minutes of the market open. Awesome setup. Awesome setup. That's why I trade these gap and go setups. Just like that. Breaking over pre-market highs where I called my entry and my exit was at 550. Beautiful. 3 minutes into the market open, up $168. All right, guys, I'm going to be calling it there. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. And look at this stock rip. Now this stock's going to explode. Up 89% right now. I'm getting out. I'm happy with my win. Peace out, guys. I love you. Thanks for watching. Remember to always stay happy and stay positive. Peace.